just up in Southport for a weekend to see Jane's mum and just doing a few little odd jobs. So since she's come out of hospital, the front steps falling apart in places, so I said I'd try and patch it up. But I think I'm going to have to take all the top layer of bricks off, because otherwise the mortar will be a different colour. With the mortar you never match it up. And I've noticed her mortar's actually got a reddy tinge to it. So I've just ordered, which I didn't know you could get colour dyes for mortar, and you put it in the mix and you make it to the shade you want. You get various sort of tones. So this is a reddy tone, so I bought a red powder that you put in. I've never used it before, so I mean, just to see how that works out. I'm just going to take all the top layer of the stones off and do that. So tools for the job for this one are quite easy: lump hammer, chisel, and my faithful knee pads to protect myself. So as ever, it's never quite as easy. So while some of the bricks fell off, others were a bit more attached, and just trying to dress up the bricks, because obviously I need the sand and cement to take. Some of it's like glue onto the bricks, attached it really well, and others are just falling off, so it's taken a bit more time than I thought. I'm just going to number the bricks just in case I get them all mixed up, especially the cut ones more than anything. Oh, it's a lovely day today. I'm in the shade here, fortunately, although I think the sun's going to gradually come round, as you can see. I managed to prepare all the first layer. Be careful, I didn't want to disturb that first layer, because I don't, it's like you start lifting that layer up and you never run stop. So unfortunately I've gone round and I've dressed the bricks up, so that's all ready. Just need to tidy up, and then just got to get the colour tone from Screwfix has just come in, and then start mixing. I guess that'll be the next thing. So I'm about to start I think I'm going to start the next project, which is the outside area where I've done all the woodwork, replaced all the woodwork around, but the floorings where the hot tub used to be is all decayed and rotting, so that's all got to come up. And I bought some porcelain tiles last year, actually, when it was in a sale. I thought I'd grab them to show a intent. So I've got to rip all that up and then decide what I need to do to the base, if anything, and then start laying those porcelain tiles down to try and at least get an area ready for the summer. So that's the next job, ticking off the list. So I'm going to put some PVA onto the bricks and the edge of the slab, just to see if we can get a bit more adhesion, because obviously treading on it on the edge, it's probably likely to rock and come apart again. So whether that's right or wrong, I think it's about a 50-50 mix. I think I just need to read the instructions of that. I might better, as a cement admixture, add 10 to 15 litres PVA to 50 kilograms of cement. I think I'll just add it to the cement then in that case. Alright, now I've got to tidy it up a bit. My pointing is pretty awful, but with a dry brush that should all start to come up, I think. Using a bit of old hose. It's flexible just to get the joints. Don't want them. Also got a jointing tool that I bought just to help. That's probably better, I think. Time for a bit of lunch. James bought me changing brands and sandwiches, and of course she's bought me Twix. So that's overnight. I'll put the bins out in front of it to stop the paperboy stepping on the bricks this morning. I'll give that a brush and a bit of a spray, I think. Well, the mother-in-law's happy, that's the main thing. I'm quite happy with what I did, to be honest.